Adobe Premiere Pro announces integration with Sora AI and amazing new AI features that will blow your mind. Let's have a look at them.
We're excited about early research explorations with our friends at OpenAI, Runway, and Pika, so editors can use the best model for their project. From OpenAI, here's an example of their Sora model, generating the perfect B-roll for any scene. Object Addition lets you add or change objects and footage with a text prompt. Make a selection, write a prompt, and add anything you can imagine. These diamonds were created by the Firefly video model. Object Removal makes selecting and removing objects across frames quick and precise. When your clip is too short and you want to hold on a shot or a character for an extra beat, Generative Extend adds frames with Firefly so you have the exact media you need. And we're committed to transparency through content credentials, so you always know whether AI was used and what model was used in the creation of the media you're viewing.